Exoplanets, thousands of exoplanets, planets outside our solar system, have been discovered. Some of these exoplanets are in the habitable zone of their stars, where conditions might be right for liquid water and, potentially, life. Imagine a world beyond our solar system, the realm of exoplanets. Thousands of these celestial bodies lay scattered across the universe, waiting to be explored. Life as we know it needs water to survive. Some exoplanets exist in the habitable zone of their stars, where conditions could be just right. What if these planets hold liquid water? What if they harbor the spark of life as we know it? The possibility is thrilling. Each discovery, each new exoplanet takes us one step closer to answering these questions. Exoplanets, the final frontier, hold the key to unraveling the mysteries of the universe.